QuantaGrid D75E-4U is a high-performance AI server built on the Intel latest Xeon 6 CPU. Designed to meet the growing demand of modern AI and HPC workload, this system could support up to 8 PCIe GPUs, and each up to 600 watts, offering incredible computing density within a 4U chassis. And this system also is built on the NVIDIA MGS architecture, which provides a modular and future-ready design. And QuantaGrid D75E-4U also could support a wide range of PCIe GPUs, such as NVIDIA RTX PRO 6000, NVIDIA H200 NVL, and the Intel PCIe Gaudi 3 GPUs. This system provides the flexibility to organizations to tailor their personal GPU configurations based on their performance and the GPU power demand. With support for the variable GPU configurations 1, 2, 4, or 8 GPUs. The QuantaGrid D75E-4U empowers organizations to maximize the computing density within the existing infrastructure, while achieving the right balance of scalability, performance, and thermal efficiency. Whether you are building the next generation of AI models or scaling the operation of data centers, the QuantaGrid D75E-4U is a future-proof solution to support what you need.